Good morning. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. After watching the US trials over the weekend, how many of you Jamaicans woke up upset or excited about the strong US competition? No, the US media already started trash talking Jamaica after the performance of Sha'carri and Noah Lyles over the weekend. They are feeding themselves at the moment. At least one person, Shannon Sharpe, on ESPN First Take, made it very clear that Sha'carri and the other US women are going to whoop the Jamaican women. He was very animated and expressive with his claims, and we're going to share the audio right now.
Man, we need them to be able to run in about 34 days.
All right. All right. Put them back.
I'm hyped. We got something for y'all, Jamaica.
Shay. Oh, you damn right. Wait a minute now.
We got something for Jamaica.
I understand that. Listen, I believe in us. But let's not tug on the cake now. This is you, Jamaica.
We got something for Jamaica.
Just be careful.
Just be careful. Remember what we did to them in the world? We got something for you. We got something for them Jamaican women. Right. We said, hey, they're living.
I don't see.
Hey.
You ain't running. You ain't the one running. All I'm saying is stop tugging at them. Stop tugging at them like that. Stop that.
That's what we doing to them. That's what we doing to them
right now. Stop that right now. Just be cool. Just be cool.
Got me losing all my jewelry. We got something. Get that thing in the hands of Noah Lyles. Just let it be close.
That's true.
Just get it in.
Boy, what do you guys think? Should we be scared? I mean, it's not surprising that some Jamaicans are already jumping on US bandwagon. Like, it's not surprising. Some people just shake it like earthquake and switch when things don't look great because the US time them look good. Sha'carri have a world leading time of 10.71. She in a top form. We're proud of Sha'carri. We're happy for her. When the world did that criticize her and they dump on her, a lot of Jamaicans did believe in Sha'carri even though them did hard on her themselves. No, she in a top form and she's gonna do great things, no doubt. But should we be jumping on US wagon right now? Aren't we supposed to rally with Jamaicans through the best times and the worst times? Because we're the loyalty there. Anyways, let us know in the comments what you think about all of this. And it has just begun, Americans will keep saying more and more. We have the Jamaican trials coming up this week. Will it shut them up? Or will it cause more chaos? Tell us in the comments. But the real showdown will be at Olympics. You just never know. Our athletes have proven time and time again to be at the top. And at the top, normally, it's just us. Alright, guys, that's it for now. We're trying to keep it short. We'd love to hear your thoughts, what you think about Shannon Sharpe, what he said. And we'll keep you updated of what's happening in the world of track and field where possible. Remember that we have other content coming your way. And this is all playful. It's competition, right? It drives trash talking and fun. And it just makes the competition, the Olympics, all the much sweeter. So bring it US. We da wait Paulo. Long time.